A sewer backup is a homeowner's worst nightmare. While a concrete floor might look like a hard, impenetrable surface, cleaning it correctly is a matter of health and safety. You cannot just hose it down. You have to decontaminate it. The biggest misconception is that concrete is solid. It is actually porous, acting like a hard sponge that absorbs microscopic pathogens, bacteria, and waste deep into its surface. If you don't clean deep enough, those dangerous germs stay behind long after the water is gone. Before you touch anything, suit up. Sewer water contains biohazards that can cause serious illness. You must wear rubber boots, heavy-duty waterproof gloves, and a respirator mask. Never let your skin come into direct contact with the contaminated area. You cannot disinfect a dirty surface. First, remove all solid debris and sludge. Then, use hot water and a strong detergent to aggressively scrub the floor. You need to physically agitate the concrete to pull the waste out of the pores before the chemicals can do their job. Once cleaned, apply a solution of bleach and water or a commercial-grade disinfectant. Crucially, you must let it sit wet on the floor for at least 15 minutes. This dwell time is what actually kills the bacteria hiding inside the concrete. Biohazard cleanup is dangerous work. If the job is too big or you want 100% peace of mind, trust the certified professionals to make your home safe again. Contact Gold Coast Flood Restorations.